Your Australian visa application has been refused. What should you do next? Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Latif Mahmoudi. I am a registered migration agent with Victoria Immigration Consultants, MARN 2518734. We have our office in the city of Melbourne, in the suburb of Dandenong, and we have a licensed practice here in Australia. In today's video, I'll explain what you should do next if your Australian visa application has been refused. Number one, don't panic. A refusal letter is not always the end of your migration journey. The next step depends on the visa type, your location, and the reason for the refusal. So this is tip number one. Tip number two, read the refusal letter carefully. You need to understand exactly why the application was refused. You need to assess whether the refusal was evidence related, eligibility related, or related to a more serious concern like character issues. Tip number three, can you appeal the decision? Some visa refusals have appeal rights. This will be outlined in the refusal letter. There are strict deadlines for lodging a review application, and you need to follow those deadlines strictly. Do not ignore the deadlines. Tip number four, can you lodge a new application after the original refusal? In some situations, a stronger application can be lodged, yes, and the new application needs to directly address the reasons for the refusal in the first or the original application. And then tip number five, understand the real reason for the refusal. Common reasons include insufficient evidence, genuine temporary entrant concern or GTE concerns, genuine relationship concerns, health issues, character issues, sponsorship, eligibility has not been met, or failure to provide the requested additional information to enable the department to make a decision on that application. And then tip number six, previous visa refusals must be disclosed in any new applications. This is a legal requirement and must be followed. Tip number seven, does a visa refusal affect future applications? A refusal does not automatically prevent future visa applications or future visa grants. To understand it properly, the real reason for the refusal decision must be examined, and this will be outlined in the decision letter that's sent to you. Tip number eight, check your current visa status. If you're inside Australia, you need to assess if you still hold a valid visa or not, and you need to understand and follow any deadlines that are associated with your current visa. And tip number nine, put together stronger evidence and make a new application. Tip number 10, seek legal advice early. Time limits may apply for the refusal application, and you need to get the proper legal advice and address all the concerns and lodge any necessary review applications with the authorities within the time limits that are provided. And tip number 11, every refusal is different. For example, a visitor visa refusal is different to a partner visa refusal. There are different categories of reasons why visa applications are refused for each type, and each case is different. So to understand the refusal reason, the original application needs to be examined. The evidence that was provided for that application needs to be assessed, and all the problems or concerns outlined in the original application or found in the original application needs to be addressed in any future applications. And tip number 12, a refusal does not mean you can never get an Australian visa. You can make a new application, and then you need to properly address the grounds for the refusal in the first application, and then you need to disclose the prior refusals. So follow these 12 tips. If your Australian visa application has been refused, if you need legal assistance or guidance related to Australian immigration law or Australian citizenship law, all you have to do is send us a direct message on the social media channel that you're watching this video on, and then you can book a paid consultation, and then we'll be able to speak to you and help you at the selected time. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end, and I hope to see you and speak to you at another video. Thank you. Bye.